been a long week. Kevin. Kevin, it's your time, buddy. I'm sorry I wanted to get to this earlier this week, but it just has not happened. Between the other job and this, that, and the other thing, and our little communication problems and that and the other thing that we had going on, that other thing that happened. I'm going to ship your amp out of here tomorrow. Kevin, here's your beautiful 16 pill. We've got amp number, what is this? 1812. It's a 16 pill in Class C. It's greened out. Everybody loves the green. I've grown rather fond of it myself. Kevin sent me, what was that? Over the cat. Sent me an old X-Force. X-Force 8 pill. It was in a 16 pill cabinet, and he initially wanted to upgrade that to a 16 pill. I said, no problem. And then Kevin changed his mind. Kevin had this epiphany. He goes, man, what if I want to grow? What if I want to do a 24 pill down the road? And I said, man, you better get yourself a 24 pill cabinet. So that's what we were sticking with. When Kevin decided to start this process about a year ago, Kevin's had some other stuff happen where this amp has been pushed back and pushed back and pushed back outside of my control. Call me up, man, we're going to have to postpone this. All right, I got this going on. I'll get back to you when we... Okay. So finally get around to it. I call and say, Kevin, you ready? Finally up in rotation. I can squeeze you in. Let's get this done. He's like, man, I want to put it in a 32 pill cabinet. And I'm like, oh, God damn it. Come on, dude. So I ordered him a 32 pill enclosure. And we got him all lined out. He can grow. He can go 24 or 32 now, whichever he wants to do. Right now it's just a straight 16. Clean, straight, sweet, or 16. 2 8 pill sections. See, now I quit ordering these transformers. I actually had to order these, so they all matched. Because I've gone over to my new transformers, but that's fine. These work just fine. But this is a new section. This is the old section. I went ahead and went all the way through the old section. I replaced everything that needed to be replaced, all the resistors, replaced most of the caps, and replaced most of the output capacitors because they were using this Mylar mica dips instead of these solid metal oxide Mylars. So, replaced that, and everything else in here is new, brand new relay, everything. The only thing I used was the transformers and the transistors and the pill strips. Everything else over there is new. All new coax, new power wire. A nice 6 leads here, Kevin. And they all come to one universal strip. And I continue the strip on because, honestly, I have a feeling within a year I'll be back in here and we'll be adding more transistors. So, it's perfectly set for us to just build it on out to a 32. But let's get on with testing this thing. I know you guys get a little bit tired of seeing me stroke. Say, look at this, look at this, look at that. Beauty builds power. Let's run around the band real quick. We're going to use a 1,000 watt slug-in PEP. We're going to use a multiplier on that. 1,000 watt slug-in average. 5 watt slug-in reverse back from the Bird 10,000 watt tunnel load. The old righty but reliable bench 2x4. We're going to use a 955 and the Connex 3600 HP. And this old Bird 43 up here. Bird 43 with a 5 watt slug-in reverse between the 955 and whatever I got in front of it. So let me go grab the cabinet because I want to show you that. Oh, hey, before I jump off of this. Okay, Kevin, so 4-pin mic jack. Let's look at this. Bottom pin's hot. Let's make sure I'm telling him the truth. Top pin's hot, and the bottom pin's on. So you take these two and just short them together. Bam, amp will come on. It's an auto key box. If we go up in transistors, the auto key function is going to go away, and we'll go to a manual key system with like a foot pedal. But yeah, this thing is dialed in. Talking. Let me get the lid. I'm going to put the lid on this real quick and then we'll get on with the show. Thank you, William Cunningham, by the way. It's a beautiful gift. Kevin, your amp. Just give you an idea what it looks like. Like I said, it's green throughout, just as you requested. That's pretty. Everybody's really enjoying something other than black or blue. Or I offer fans in all kinds of shapes and configurations. I don't care what color it is. I got fans that I can program to read anything you want. They come with thermocouples. They come with voltmeters. I can get them so they say your name in them. I can get them so they say your company name in them. I can get them in any color and any style you want. You can have one like this one you could have set up to show your voltage. And this one you could have set up to show you the temperature of the box, right? And then you got this one here that shows your company logo. And then this one here's got your personal name. And then this one's got your kid's name. And this one's got your wife's name. It don't matter. I got this technology. I've had it for many a year. Most people don't want to pay for that. It's really odd. I started offering that and nobody really wanted to pay for that. But Kevin, I just wanted to give you a general idea what this thing looks like in the dark. It is green, my brother. Okay, let's get on with the show. All right. Let's do this. So we're in the 1X position right now. And 1000 watt slug. 2x4 is off. So we're just going to key the 955. Hello. It's a 1 watt carrier on the auto key circuit. Here's your input tune. Hello. Hello. 3/4 of a watt of reflect and falling underneath modulation, which means this thing is wanting more drive. We've already exhausted the 1000 watt slug and peak, so we're gonna go to 2X. Hello, what do you go? Hello, what do you go? 16, 17, whatever. And some change. That's only with 100 watts worth of drive. Just turn on Z 2x4. Alright. We're beating the hell out of that meter again, so we're going to put it at 5X. Now that's reading as a 5,000 watt slug, and the one next to it's in average mode. Now remember, the Striker builds dick for average power, so that's why we're going to jump over to the Connex. So for right now, we got to kind of ignore the meter on the far left. Hello. Hello. Easily 4,000 watts. RF getting in the microphone. Turn up the dead key on the 2x4 here. 4,000 watts again. Touching little minx. Alright. Hello. Hello. You see how that average power is backing up? Alright, so we've seen the peak power performance. Now let's go look at the average power. We switch radios. Okay. This is still in 5X. 1000 watt slug in 5X. And now we're using a 5,000 watt slug in average. Make that real clear. 5,000 watt slug in average. The reason we're doing that is because now we're producing over 1,000 peak watts on 14 volts, no problem whatsoever. We're actually producing about 17 to 1800 on average power of 14 volts. So if you crank the volts up like around 20, you'll get like 4 grand average out of this, no problem at all. Don't key it like that for too long, you blow it up, Kevin, and I know you know better than that. So let's shoot down and fire down on this thing and get this out of the way. Hello. 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 On 13 volts, 2,000 watts average. Done. Done and done. It's just that simple, Kevin. You're not going to have a lick of problems with this, and it's going to look really good in the back of your truck. I am expecting pictures from you, by the way, bro. I want to see what this thing looks like in your setup. My name is BBI, without a shadow of a doubt. I am the biggest mud duck in Idaho. I want you to come check us out at www.bbiamps.com. I'm getting ready to launch my own Pal Talk program chat room, so y'all can come watch me live. Go to www.paltalk.com and download the program and come do a search for the room called 27025 The Bowl. That's my room. The room's not going to be about me, it's going to be about radio. I'm just going to be one of the participants in it. Come hang out. Or come in there and try and talk smack. I don't care. Room's open for anyone. I appreciate your all's support. I appreciate your all's projects. I love doing this custom stuff. I live for it. Kevin, thank you again, my brother. Appreciate you all. I'll see you.